How are you everyone? This is teacher Raisa from your English class. Today we are going to study about preposition of transportation. Preposition of transportation. We will be using the three prepositions in, on, by. In, on, by. First is the word in. So we use in a small vehicle that is enclosed and you cannot stand or walk inside that vehicle, like taxi or car. For example, in a car, in a taxi, the sentence would be like this: I like listening to music in my car. I like listening to music in my car. You can call me when you are in the taxi. You can call me when you are in the taxi. Second word is on. We use on in a large vehicle like plane, train, or bus. On the train, on the bus, on the plane. Or we can also use on a motorbike, on a bike, on a scooter, on a horse. For example, I like working on my laptop when I'm on the bus. Another example using the word on. I can't talk to you now. I'm on the train. I see a lot of people on bikes. I see a lot of people on bikes. Always use a helmet when you are traveling on a motorbike. And lastly, the word by. So we use the word by in all mode of transportation, like by car, by taxi, by plane, by bus, by train. For example, if someone will ask you, how did you go to work? So you can answer, by bus, by taxi, by car. I normally go to work by bus, by taxi, by car, or by train. Except on foot. So if someone will ask you, how did you go to work? So you will answer, I normally go to work on foot, or I just walk. It's time for your homework. Listen carefully. Make 15 sentences using the word in, on, by. 5 in, 5 on, and 5 by. That's all. And you have to take a photo of your sentences and send it to your Google Classroom. Thank you.